Don't you love life when you feel like sunshine on your skin in the middle of the winter when it's chilly, when it's getting dry, in front of a fire, laying with your baby and you're getting high. Well, a couple of buttons on a sweet day, I've sure blown up a perfect way. Don't you love life when you you feel like the first time you feel it in, coming together, feeling perfect skin. Well, white chips on a cold day, ice cream stripping on a hot day. Well,
on this episode, Joe and I head back up to tropical North Queensland. I run a nipper clinic with the beautiful Courtney Hancock for Port Douglas nippers, and then Joe and I duck off into the rainforest to find those beautiful hidden waterfall spots that we heard about but missed last time.
well, are you feeling it?
So here we are in Cairns, Joe and I. Joe's behind the camera. And I woke up this morning having this, because I'm always sort of travelling from group to group working with. And yesterday we had an amazing day in the waterfalls and it was beautiful and healing, therapeutic. But I woke up this morning like shifting energy and feeling as though, what's that? What's that feeling? And kind of lucidly dreaming through different things. And it turns out what it was me feeling as though there's this thing inside of me that always wanted to win and be in control and be on top and get the last laugh and the last say and be included and have power, have influence. And of course, if I don't have that in this mind, then I'm nothing, I'm nobody, I get nothing, all that sort of stuff. So it's an interesting feeling and I could feel it hovering around. And then I woke up and I was kind of clearing it a bit more than I ever have. I was like getting a bit more behind it. I realized, hang on a second, that's what's going on the planet at the moment. The energy to keep in control and keep everybody in control. And they're talking about military in the streets and all sorts of stuff is about to happen to keep in control, which is really, really interesting. So we come down to get a coffee. We bump into this place on the corner. And is this the universe speaking to us? This is the Adelaide Steamship Company. We've been commenting about how beautiful the buildings are in Cairns and the heritage and what they hold on to. So this old building, Adelaide Steamship Company, was started in 1875 by South Australian businessmen. I read that right here. Has a famous history with Cairns and using this as a port. What's interesting is the Adelaide Steamship Company owned Uncle Toby's. And Uncle Toby's, of course, was the Ironman series that I raced in that took me from being a nobody to being a somebody who could walk around and people would say, oh, Trevor, can I give you this and can I give you that? And so literally this company supported me on that journey, put all the money into it to make our sport a big thing, for me to have that experience of being someone, of being confident and secure and everything else, but at the same time being controlling and also stuck. So to be clear, I'm really thankful for that journey, but it's crazy the work you have to do to deconstruct that stuff that you don't probably really need. And at the end of the day, it's stopping me from being myself more now, gentle, connected, present, because it's just every now and then I jump back into that energy. Pretty crazy. Here we are on this journey about to go and work with Port Douglas Surf Club and all their nippers to talk to them about life and give them a clinic and everything else with the beautiful Courtney Hancock. Start that tomorrow. So how's the synergy in that I'm going to now talk to nippers about what winning and life is really about and take them for the day. So there we go. Thanks, universe. Thanks, Cairns. Before we hit the nipper clinic, though, there's a little place that I wanted to take my Joesphine to that we missed last time on our Cape York trip. Here I am, actually at Joesphine Falls, just north of Innisfail, south of Cairns, with my beautiful wife Jo up there. And we're not far from Babinda, the Boulders of Babinda, but have a look at this stunning place and what we've got that we're exploring up ahead. Honey, we're trying to get up the top. You can't just pull me back. Put your hand up there. I'm gonna slide.
Oh my god! I'm sitting back down and my boots are falling out.
Oh, that's hilarious. You're supposed to stay down. Oh, 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 she's away. Go, Joe. Woo. Oh, far out. That was an ordeal. Okay, honey, hang on. You ready?
It's so cold.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, when you're ready.
It got colder.
The beauty of this place is incredible, and we bump into Tommy Trembath, an old Ironman champion friend. Awesome to share an amazing place with an old buddy. How was that, eh?
That was unreal.
A few families hanging out, enjoying this beautiful place. Some slacklining lessons. On the way back, we decided to drop into our old favourite Babinda and the Babinda Rocks. It's just incredible, this place. It's so beautiful and must be on a bucket list for anyone who loves swimming in crystal clear blue water. Now we head from freshwater to saltwater, with Surf Lifesaving Australia making it possible for Courtney Hancock and I to go visit the Port Douglas Nippers under the invite of Irene and the team. Start cords. There we go.
I haven't got my stinger suit on.
You got stinger suit. Yeah, you got a half stinger suit.
Where's yours?
You can go top half.
Yay.
Yeah, I got an anti-stinger sunscreen on. There we go.
My sunscreen?
That's your sunscreen. Yeah. Didn't you know that?
Run to those rocks there. Okay. Right. Head star jump. Okay, here we go. Right. 1, 2, 9. Okay, feet should be together. Yeah, that's the idea.
Courtney, you do appear to be
Yes.
warmed up.
Oh my goodness, look at me. I haven't really climatised yet. I'm committed.
Now you're
Sand. We're ready to go. The heart rate's up for me. I've done my breathing. Yeah, I'm excited. And yeah, as Irene said, what crocodiles? I'm ready.
ready to go. Oh, well done.
Oh, perfect.
Big finish, big finish. What an awesome day. Thanks Surf Lifesaving, thanks Courtney and the Port Douglas Surf Lifesaving Club family. You guys are legends. It's amazing. Now it's on for more adventures. Oh yeah, and another crocodile experience.
Fighting croc.
Okay, here we go. We're on the drive into Munjulgimbi.
Yeah.
Munjulgimbi, which is Mosman Gorge. So it's Sunday. We had our nipper clinic yesterday. We had a beautiful time together overnight and laid by the pool for a little while this morning. And now we're on our way to Mosman Gorge, and we're going to get the bus. $8.50. And have our last little ceremonial swim. I've been here many years ago, and Joe last year, before we head back to the Gold Coast, which is currently in lockdown. So this is us avoiding lockdown for a little bit longer.
I'm going to turn it around so you can have a look where we are. Beautiful.
There we go. Touristies. Oh. There we go. It's pretty beautiful, eh?
Oh, wow.
Already. So peaceful. It's just walking through the rainforest on this. There's hardly anybody here on a Sunday, which is pretty cool. But having a look, except for some other people. I'm guessing that is the Mossman Gorge. Moss of all different types. Mossman Gorge. There we go. Pretty. Beautiful little track. Heading up for a waterfall and a swim a little bit higher up. Pretty, hey?
Beautiful.
Tiny little, beautiful sandy swimming hole. And I am going to jump in it.
was it? Good.
Beautiful.
You feel refreshed?
Very refreshed. Just get a shot of me walking really slow. It's really cool. The peak in view here is called Dimbi by the Kukuyalunji. Roughly translated, the word means mountain holding back. As a large humanoid rock represents Kubiri, who came to the aid of Kukuyalunji when they were persecuted by an evil spirit, Warumbu. Kubiri holds back the evil spirit who is now confined to the bluff above Mosman River. Dimbi has been anglicised to Mount Demi, and Kubiri is known as the Good Shepherd. It's just really cool that there's a little bit of talk of something holding back an evil spirit. Because I think that we could do with a bit of that in the world right now. Looked over by Dimbi. I like it. Okay, down to these healing pools, and of course healing pools attracts a lot of people. A little more touristy. It's just so beautiful still. Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
A few more people, but so nice. Lots of fish swimming around in there. So pretty. Sunlight coming down through the canopy. It's beautiful. Time for a swim. Got a bit of sidebird there.
Mm-hmm. We escaped, haven't you?
Yeah, just come up for the day.
Up for the day. Oh, Cairns. Yeah, what am I thinking of?
I know.
I heard you say Canberra.
Oh, that's where he's from.
Oh, no way.
Go on, you're on.
Oh, look at the size of that fish.
I know.
Yeah, that'll knock it out of you.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, it is beautiful. It's cold but nice.
Just that incredible view.
Imagine if we just saw a truck coming down the river.
Well, I'd be happy if I saw it. It'd be better than not seeing it. So pretty. There's another place to swim up here, eh? Part 2 of the Slip Chronicles.
Uh-oh. Beautiful you in.
No, it's good. There's a little groove in here.
Oh, yeah. I can
Just
see
wait until I get it. Just wait a second. You can't be the last in the water, can you?
I'm just going to climb over you.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me.
There we go. Beautiful. Rounding out the trip. It's the end of the trip, hon. About to go back to the airport. So it's been absolutely beautiful last few days, last week. Exploring Airlie Beach, all around Cairns, down towards Innisfail. It's been amazing and we're truly blessed. So glad we could share a little bit with you. Make sure you write in the comments below where you reckon we should go next, or where you want to go next. Where could you get away in lockdown? It's not that hard, because there's a lot of places we can't go in the world right now, but where locally could you get to, you think, actually, you know what, my soul needs a little visit to that. So pop it in the comments down below and make sure we'll all support each other to get there. Anyway, give us a little like, subscribe if you like the content. I'm going to create a bit more, travel around and do some fun things together, hopefully share some cool viewpoints. But from Mosman Gorge, peace and love.
Put your hands on me.
Good little job.
Time goes fast, but yet so slow.
Okay.
I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. Don't know what you really feel, but I really like this dream. Don't need to feel anything but you floating in my bloodstream. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. Lost in each other.
Go back.
Lost in each other. Lost in each other. I'm so lost in
Am I on? Am I? Yeah. Okay, we're heading back from Mosman Gorge back to Cairns Airport. We're about to fly home to the Gold Coast. It's in lockdown at the moment. So I had an awesome trip. It was so good to go up with the $1 Million Business Club up in Airlie Beach and work with them. It was beautiful to work with Port Douglas Surf Club. Thanks to Surf Life Surfing Australia. That was really, really cool. And to get Jo up and bring her up as well and spend some time was amazing. So the trip was incredible. We saw some really cool things.
Yep.
But I just thought we'd share one each. Oh, you can. Jo sounds so excited about this. I'll just share for me what I just really learned. And as we're driving off, I think the key thing I got this whole trip was it's reminding me a little bit of time away to be really conscious, like to be actually conscious, like present, not in your thoughts, thinking about like actually am I present? Because you can do some wonderful things and you can have some wonderful plans, but it's almost like it's like daydreams compared to being really, really present. So anyway, I just wanted to share that on the way back because I just got what this trip gave me fully, and that was the biggest gift I got out of it, was that a reminder to bring myself back to be present and create things from there, not create things and then hope to be present in the future. Be present now, create stuff from there. So I wanted to share that. There you go. Jo, you're welcome to share something if you want.
I really don't like it when you put me on the spot like this. Yeah, I had an amazing time. I think for me, as I'm getting older and as a mum, I found that I was really fearless when I was younger, and as I'm getting older, I'm getting a little more fearful of different things. More to do with putting my body on the line, I suppose, not wanting to get hurt. So Trev, being the adventurous person that he is, always pushing me to step jumping off massive rocks into waterfalls and stuff like that. So I think for me, each time I do those things, I feel a little bit more younger and alive and free and joyful within. I think every time I step outside my comfort zone, that's the lesson I get each time that I do it. So I think for me, it's like stepping outside that zone that I'm used to, the comfort, the place that I know, and getting more used to and living in the unknown, which is, I suppose, the life we really have to start to live, hey?
That was really beautiful.
Oh, thanks, mate. Yeah, that was me. Bye.
Join us for our next edition as Charlie and I take a few mates out to Moreton Island.